Hi guys. Hi guys, it's me again, and I want to tell you something that happened to my best friend, and he told me about this. I was talking to my friend on the phone, and while I was talking to him, we were talking. He was ignoring his mom, and his mom went up to him with a knife and stabbed him in the foot. And it was scary because he said, "Oh, what the F? You stabbed me in my freaking foot with a freaking knife or glass or whatever you stabbed me with." And he said there was glass in his foot.
Sparky, a natural right.
Did you really get that scared? Just over a little rat, just because I scrummed and it was in the basket, you jumped? I don't know why you would do that.
Go! Get me, Sparky!
Watch it! No, Papa! Come on, boy. Come on, boy. This is my dog. Good job. Good job. That's my dog. And so I guess peace.